Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Joss and Blue from Blue's Clues. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, I'm going to draw two eyes. I'm going to start with the bottom line and I'm going to do the same on the other side, and then just going to make it nice and round on top like I always do. After that, pupils, irises, and light reflections. Let's color the pupils in. Right between the eyes, we're going to draw about the nose, and below that, a little smile. Now from the eyes, we're just going to draw the jawline, and then we're going to draw some hair right on top, and you're going to connect it to the eyes, and do the same on the other side as well. Then we can draw two eyebrows, small little eyebrows right above the eyes. Now let's draw the hair. And then right below that, or right beside it, you're going to draw ears. Now we're going to draw the neck. I'm just going to draw two little lines out, and I'm going to draw it all the way to the shoulders on one side, not the other side here. Now from the shoulder down, I'm going to make a little mark for myself, and I'm going to do the same thing here as well, two little marks. Now I'm going to draw the torso. Draw a little line out, a little line, and then from here you're just going to draw two lines, and now we're going to connect the lines. Now we can draw one arm. You're just going to draw a short little line out, and on this side you're going to draw a sleeve, and you're going to draw the front arm a bit shorter because it's bent. And now I'm going to draw fingers. I'm going to draw a little thumb, and then I'll draw just 3 fingers. There's one hand. Now we're going to try to do this on the other side. We're just going to draw the inside, so I'm going to make a short line, and I'm just going to do that. I'm going to stop right there. I'm not going to go back. We're just going to draw the thumb, now on the side, I want to draw Blue, looking over Josh's shoulder. First I'm going to draw the paws. I'm going to draw the 3 toes. 1, 2, 3 toes. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 toes. And now I'm going to draw Josh's arm. Take it all the way around. Draw the top of the paws, bring it back to the arm, and here we're just going to make it nice and round. Now right here we're going to draw Blue. I'm going to start with the nose, so I'm going to draw a little mushroom shape for the nose. Then we're going to draw a little smile. Right above that we're going to draw the eye, so I'm going to draw a number 8 lying on his side and close it off. And now we're going to draw the pupils, and we're going to color the pupils in. Eyebrows, here we go, and there's the other eyebrow. And now we can draw the shape of the head. You start here on top, and I'm going to draw a pear shape. We're going to do the same on the other side. Now we can draw the ears. A little spot and a big spot. Now here I'm going to draw another ear, so let's start on this side. I'm going to make it nice and round, take it back, do this, draw a little spot, and then as well a big spot. And there's Blue. Now Josh will be sitting I'm going to draw a kneecap, and we're going to draw another kneecap. And now we're first going to draw the calf area. Take it down, make it nice and round where the shoe is, take it up. Don't touch the kneecap. On this side, do the same thing. Make it round, go up, and there we go. And now you're just going to bring the legs together, like that. Little mark there, and there's Josh sitting. Then we can draw the feet. I'll draw two little lines out. We're going to connect it with a curve upwards, and then you can draw the bottom of the feet. Now from here, we're going to draw the thinking chair. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a nice curl. We're going to do the same on the other side. And now we're going to take the arm rest back. Right here I want you to bring two little lines out, and you're going to connect it to the armrest. Go a bit further, and then you're going to draw the feet of the chair. And now we can just close this chair off. Lastly, we're going to draw the stripes on Josh's jersey. Collar, and now you can draw little stripes. There's one to the arm, there's another arm, and then maybe just a stripe like this. And then on the sleeves, we're going to draw a few stripes. This side as well. And we're going to just connect these two lines as well. And there's Josh and Blue. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I'll see you soon. Bye.